Hi, tonight I'm going to show you a cool science video on how to make glow sticks glow brighter using Dawn dish soap. Okay, so I've got two glow sticks here. I'm going to take a hacksaw and I'm going to saw one. God. So that I can empty the glow stick liquid into a cup. I'll take the other glow stick. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to saw it. So that I can break it and empty the glow stick liquid into a cup of water. So there we have two. Okay. Now I'm going to add Dawn dishwashing liquid to the yellow, but not to the red. Stir it up. I'm going to stir up the red without Dawn dishwashing liquid, and here is the result. Definitely not the same. I mean, more glow, almost no glow, no mixture, even though it's been stirred the same. But that is absolutely crazy, the difference. Dawn dishwashing liquid makes a heck of a difference. Okay, so I'm going to set these over here. I'm going to try something else. Okay, 2 things of water, green glow stick, blue glow stick. I'm going to saw the green glow stick, and I'm going to pour it into some water. Okay. I am going to take the blue glow stick. I'm going to saw it. And I'm going to pour it into some water. All right. go. Both are equal, like the other ones. I'm going to add Dawn to the green. And nothing to the blue. I'm going to stir the green. Wow. Look at that. That is crazy. I'm going to stir the blue. Not the same without Dawn dishwashing liquid. Dawn dishwashing liquid, green, blue. Dawn dishwashing liquid, yellow, red. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.